trained Bharatanatyam classical dancer. A very ancient classical art form which is from the southern part of India. I feel that the art should merge and to bring about the best in everybody, mutual appreciation and to take it to another level, basically.
I'm Amrita. I'm a dance performer and a dance teacher as well. In terms of my dance form, it's Kathak, which is one of the Indian classical dance forms. It is coming from northern part of India. This is the first time an Indian classical dance form is collaborating with an international folk dance form. It's amazing. So when I heard about the rhythm, and I was able to connect.
Oh yeah, it's been like a lovely experience. It's like quite different to what we usually do in like our classes and things. Being able to do with other styles as well. It's a new experience.
Creu Jones dwi a dwi'n aelod o Hafodwenog a dwi'n 25 mlwydd oed.
Diolch Plethu dwi hefyd yn aelod o Hafodwenog a byw yn Aelwyd.
Mae cyflwyno dawnswerin i arddull gwahanol o dawnsfeydd wedi bod yn brofiad arbennig. Mae wedi bod yn wahanol iawn i greu dawnswerin eleni gan hwnni o dan restrictions Covid. Wrth creu dawns yn wreiddiol byddwn ni'n dwylo yn lot o gosach yn byddwn ni'n gwneud heddi. A mae wedi bod yn brofiad eitha heriol ar y adegau. Gan bod ni'n gofod cyfuno gyda dawns traddodiadol Indiaidd hefyd. A mae wedi bod yn brofiad eitha hyfryd, actually, wahanol.
Mae fe'n braf bod ni wedi gallu dod at ein gilydd ar gyfer Steddfod yr Urdd. A ni'n lwcus bod wedi bod yn sych heddi hefyd, so mae wedi bod yn gret.
Hefyd, licen ni i ddiolch i'r Urdd am y cyfle ni wedi cael. Mae'r Covid wedi dod â pethau bach wahanol i ni eleni gan bod Steddfod T wedi dod. So, falle os byddwn ni yn yr actual genedlaethol, hwn ddim wedi digwydd heddi. So, ni'n eitha barch bod weithiau mae Covid wedi digwydd yn dweud ni.
I'd like to thank the organizers that it's a brilliant experience. So we would really love to look forward to working with this organizers in the future.